We are now focusing on the last widget in the school settings and configuration screen, which is the Lessons widget. To access the widget, tap on our sample school to enter the school settings and configuration screen, and tap on the Lessons widget to enter the lesson allocations screen. As we can see, all the grades that we specified before are reflected here, but none of them has lessons allocated. Let's learn how to navigate this lesson allocation screen. Tap on this down arrow to expand the categories. To collapse the category, you would tap on this up arrow. Let us start with grade 12, although you can start with any other grade that you prefer. Tap on this Add button to create lessons. You can also create a lesson by tapping on this icon. Tap on this icon to delete a lesson. You can also collapse the lessons category by tapping on this icon. When we scroll to the top, we'll notice that the number of lessons is reflected as we create or delete them. We have created a new blank lesson in grade 12. A blank lesson has 0 teachers selected, 0 subjects selected, 0 classes selected, and defaults to a maximum of 6 periods per week and a maximum number of 2 periods per day. This lesson type icon describes the status and type of a lesson. Right now it says the lesson is incomplete as we have not yet selected any teacher or subject or student class for the lesson. Let us now enter the data for this lesson as contained in the sample school data file that can be found in the bio and in the description below. To select a teacher for this lesson, tap either on this teacher icon or tap inside the teacher text form field. Select teacher T003 and tap on the accept button. Next, let us enter the subject for this lesson. To do so, either tap on this subject icon or tap inside the subject text form field. Let's select the English subject and tap on the Accept button. Note that we can only select a single subject at a time, as a class cannot be taught multiple subjects at the same time. Next, let us enter the student class for this lesson. To do so, either tap on this class icon or tap inside the class text form field. Teacher T003 teaches English to grade 12A and grade 12B students. Let's select both grade 12A and grade 12B classes and tap the Accept button. The English subject should be taught 3 periods a week and only once a day. Note that the lesson type icon has changed to individual lesson. This is due to the fact that we only have a single teacher in this lesson. We have completed creating the first lesson in grade 12. Let's add the second lesson in grade 12. Teacher T004 teaches life sciences to grade 12A students. Five periods a week and only once a day. Let's create the third lesson in grade 12, where teacher T005 teaches life orientation to grade 12A and grade 12B students. Twice a week and only once a day. In the fourth lesson, teacher T008 teaches the Setswana language to grade 12A and grade 12B students. Three periods a week and only once a day. So far, we've only seen individual teacher lessons. In the fifth lesson, teachers T011 and T015 participate in teaching the AC-Agri group subgroup to grade 12A and grade 12B students. As we can see, the lesson type icon has now changed to subgroup lesson. This means during this period, students from grade 12A and grade 12B will split from their classes to gather separately with their accounting and agriculture teachers respectively, and return to their default classes after the accounting and agriculture lessons. 3 times a week and once a day. Let's add the sixth lesson to grade 12. In this lesson, we have teachers T012 and T013, co-teaching the physical sciences, subject to grade 12A and grade 12B students, four periods a week and only once a day. This means teachers T012 and T013 would be scheduled together in all instances of this lesson. Co-teaching and subgroup lessons are similar in that they both must involve more than one teacher, and more than on class, they differ in that co-teaching involves an ordinary subject, whereas a subgroup lesson involves a subgroup subject. The seventh and last lesson in grade 12 has teacher T018 teaching mathematics to grade 12A and grade 12B. Four periods a week and only once a day. Those are all the lessons we have for grade 12. That's how easy, intuitive, and user-friendly it is to create and allocate lessons in DreamTimetables app. Lessons in other grades can similarly be added that way. To keep this video short, we will only show the results of adding lessons for the remainder of the grades of the school. What about this icon? In the next session, let us understand the crucial role of this lesson statistics icon.